guys, it's quick tip Q&A time.
Yes, you send us the questions
and we're gonna answer them for you, so stay tuned.
Today's question is, what do we do when we have these little tiny crappy wires? You suck at soldering, and obviously crimping them, you can't even crimp them. So what do you do? Well, you want to slice this open a little bit so you have more to work with than just a little piggy tail. Alright, so to do this, you're going to need 2 pieces of 1/8 inch shrink wrap and a piece of 1/4 inch shrink wrap about 2 inches in length. Once you have the wires cut back some, go ahead and strip off about 1 inch. As you can see, this stuff is really thin. You can do it with your fingernail. Now that you have about 1 inch stripped off, go ahead and take the wire you plan on adding and then take it and twist it on so the two are connected like this. Put a bend in it. I'll take one of your pieces of shrink wrap, just go over the whole thing like that. Now do the same thing for the ground. Okay, now go ahead and melt on your shrink wrap. Take your 1/4 inch. Go ahead and go over both. So go ahead and let it cool off. Once it does, the shrink wrap will become stiff and you'll have a really nice, secure, solderless connection.
Thanks for watching. If you have a question, leave it in the comments below and we'll get back to you.
Bye.